Do you have random liquor in your liquor cabinet?
Well, let's throw it in a trash can and see what comes out.
Intro. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And it's your boy Kareem.
And we're kicking it a little old school today.
Yeah, so we got an old school microphone.
So this happens to be the original mic when we first started Brew Broz, because we started off as a podcast.
So this is our original podcast mic.
And the reason we're using the original podcast mic today is because I forgot the other ones.
So we don't have it.
So for today's cocktail, over a couple months ago, we started a 30-day challenge, right?
Yeah.
And we had some random alcohols. And we're sitting here thinking, what can we make with the stuff that we have?
So with the premiere of One Piece live action season 2, like, you know what? Let's use some of this alcohol and make something.
So today's cocktail is called the Trash Can Cocktail. So let's get started. So with today's cocktail, it's going to be awkward because I got a mic in front of me. I have to try to shake everything up. I'm going to spill it everywhere. But you're going to need a couple ingredients, okay? First of all, you're going to need either gin or tequila. You're going to need midori, some type of clear liquor. So either white rum, soju, or vodka, just another clear liquor. And then you're going to need some kind of citrus liqueur. If you're wondering why I keep looking that way, it's because I'm looking at all the ingredients because I don't have them memorized. So some type of citrus liqueur. So you could use triple sec, Cointreau. How do you spell that? Cointreau, apple pucker, something along the lines. You could also need either lemons or limes and simple syrup. Let's get started with the cocktail. This is already going to be so awkward because I have the wire, the mic in front of me. It's going to be weird. So, the base to start off with is going to be tequila or gin. We're going with tequila today. You're going to need 1.5 ounces of tequila.
Did we ever do a tequila episode on this tequila?
I don't know if we ever did the tequila on the Diego Santa. I don't know if we ever did a review for this one, so we may have to try to do one because this is a good tequila. Next, I don't remember. Midori. We're going to use half an ounce of midori. Now, keep in mind, because it's being Kareem, I'm doubling everything. So, half an ounce midori. Now, get your other white liquor and do half an ounce of that. Today, we're using rum. So, I'm going to do 1 full ounce of this for both of us. Grab your orange liqueur. Today we're using triple sec. You do 1/4 of an ounce of this. For me, Kareem, we're going to do half. Next, grab either your lemons or your limes. We're doing 3/4 of an ounce of that. So I'm using lemons today, and we're just going to squeeze it out in my handy dandy squeezer over here. So for both of us, it's going to be 1.5 ounces. That's 1 full ounce so far. If you noticed, I have this really cool citrus squeezer, fruit squeezer, juice squeezer, whatever you want to call it. It's my favorite toy right now. I don't know what it's called, but if you can see it, get this. It's an awesome, awesome tool.
Maybe we'll drop the link down below.
maybe if you didn't hear Kareem, might drop a link down below. It's probably gonna be on Amazon. We're not getting any cash for it, but we'll see what we do. And then you're gonna do half an ounce of simple syrup. So for me and Kareem, we're gonna do a full ounce of this. Grab your ice, pour it in the shaker a little bit, because we're gonna be mixing this stuff up. Okay, hold on. Hopefully this doesn't explode in my hand like it always seems to do. Shake it up. I'm good. I'm always expecting it to blow up in my hands now. And because this is a trash can cocktail, we're using special kind of glasses or cups for today. We got our handy dandy little buckets. Take the top off. I'm going to top this off with a little bit more ice. Can't get the top. Oh, Kareem. I think my hands are too wet. How does that always work? Anyway.
You need an adult.
Yeah, I needed an adult. I couldn't open it, so I had to have Kareem. Pour out your cocktail. So make sure you leave a little space on the top, because we're actually going to top it off with some Sprite. Now you could use either Sprite or ginger ale, ginger beer, seltzer, whatever you have laying around the house. Top this bad boy off. Give it a little stirry stir. Oop.
Lose some ice.
Lose some ice. And here we have. Wait. Oh, use whatever garnish you have, whether it's an orange peel, orange wheel, a lime wheel, lemon zest, mint, cherry, just anything you have. Grab it, throw it in this bad boy. It's going to magically appear. There we go. Now we fancy with it. Let's try this out. All right, let's try out our trash can cocktail. Let's see how we did.
Okay.
Ready? Let's just sniff test. I don't smell anything.
Yeah.
You
I smell the grapefruit wheel.
Is it grapefruit or orange?
I don't know.
Whatever this dehydrated wheel is, I smell that first. Yeah, I want to say it's orange.
Cheers.
All right, cheers. Click, clack. Interesting. Very interesting, actually. Oddly enough, I'm getting a very citrus forward flavor, right? But I'm tasting orange. It's almost like the triple sec is the strongest thing out here.
Also, we get the citrus also from the wheel. So that also helps with the smell and the flavors.
Maybe, but I don't think it's going to be that potent that the wheel's going to, because it's a dehydrated wheel. So I don't think it's been here long enough to really affect that. Unless it's because...
Well, I'm just saying the smell.
Well, I was going to say, unless it is just from the smell. But that's why we call it the trash can cocktails. Because you're grabbing whatever you have in the house and just making it. Sort of like, would you consider this... It's not really like a Long Island iced tea, because that's several different things mixed in.
It's close, though.
Kind of close. A little more citrusy.
Yeah.
So, Kareem, Brew Broz scale, what do you give the trash can cocktail?
That's a good question.
Yeah. We got to be honest, okay? Scale 1 to 5. 1 being sucks. 5 being one of the best things we've ever had.
It's not a 1. It's not a 5.
Definitely not a 5. But we gotta be honest with this review, because we use random stuff.
Yeah, that, on a normal day probably wouldn't necessarily go together.
Poor man's Long Island.
Yeah, very, very poor. But it's crushable.
Yeah, I could easily drink this. It's a smooth taste. Mm-hmm. Smoothish, I should say.
It's not harsh.
It sort of tastes like almost like a flat orange soda. Like you get a Fanta.
Yeah.
Right? And
or Fresca.
Yeah, okay. I can see the Fresca. I can see tasting the Fresca. Oh, okay. So, based on that criteria and the fact that it tastes like a Fresca, what would you give that trash can cocktail?
Now, being personally, the new Fresca.
Oh yeah, it's like a Fresca.
I don't really enjoy the new Fresca all that much.
You ever tried Squirt?
Yes.
Would you say this tastes like a Squirt?
No.
It's definitely sweeter.
Yes, it's definitely a little bit sweeter, less less grapefruit.
Okay, yeah, that does have more of a grapefruit flavor. You're right.
But this definitely tastes like a orange Fresca. Mm-hmm. Although I don't really like the new Fresca because it has some weird sugar flavors that's going on. Although I don't really like Fresca, this I like.
Yeah. Hey, I thought I was going to taste kind of weird because we mixed a bunch of different flavors. Mm-hmm. But it tastes like an orange soda. An orange soda is going to get you tipsy.
Yes. So, on that scale, is it a 1? No. Is it a 5? No, absolutely not. I would say it's like kind of in the middle. But a little bit above the middle. Ooh. So I'm going to give it a 3.4.
Oh, 3.4. Okay, I thought you were going to go. I thought you would just be like a flat 3.
I was thinking a flat 3, but I think it's a little bit better than just a flat 3.
It kind of tastes like the corner store sodas you would buy, because they always had that off-brand soda, the orange drink.
Yeah, that CNC.
Not even CNC, just that the random fell off the truck brand. Oh, you know what it tastes like? Remember the quarter juices?
Oh yeah,
the orange. It tastes like an orange quarter juice.
Just a little bit more carbonated.
So for those of you who don't know, in Jersey, we used to have the corner stores. We still have corner stores everywhere, but there used to be these tiny plastic barrels.
Yeah.
Right? That we call the quarter juices because they used to cost a quarter.
Yeah. And they came in different flavors: fruit punch, grape,
orange. That was the color, not even the flavor. But it was just the color.
It was orange, fruit punch, and grape.
The color was the flavor.
Yeah.
It was red, blue, orange. Yeah. That was the flavor right there. So, let us know.
And they had green. They had green, too.
Oh, they did have green. You're right. Didn't they have yellow, too?
I don't remember in the barrels, but I know there was a yellow drink that they did have. I don't know if it was in the barrels.
Or am I thinking, because not only was it the quarter juices, wasn't there the quarter ice pops, the long
sticks? Those had yellow. Those had different arrays. They had the coconut, which was white.
Coconut? Oh, yeah. I never had that one. I thought it was pineapple.
No, it was coconut. It was maybe
it wasn't pina colada.
Maybe it was pina colada.
Yeah, I think it was pina colada.
But I remember it was coconut. I never had coconut in it.
I never got it. It was to me. It was gross.
It used to be good. I enjoyed it.
Oh, memories.
I enjoyed it a lot.
So if you don't forget, if you can't hear us, it's because we're using old school mic.
Also, you might see this mic in our One Piece review. That'll be coming up along with this.
So make sure you look down in the description below. Click the link to our Brews Anime Reviews channel because we're going to be watching One Piece Season 2.
And One Piece live action is kind of what springboarded this channel.
That is true. We started this as a podcast about 2 years ago, right?
Yeah.
And now here we are.
Yeah. And we're going to watch season 2. Hopefully, it'll be epic.
Hopefully you can hear us and it doesn't suck. So make sure you leave a comment down below.
Hit the notification bell. Get notified on our next video. Hopefully we'll have better mics.
Like, share, comment,
And subscribe.
and make sure you check out our other channels too. Brew's Anime Reviews.
And Brew Broz Conspiracies.
And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
This happens to be the mic people do.
Let's take that over.
Yeah. I feel like I got the Asian flush.
There you are, Red.
Fumble. Yeah, I'm always like breaking stuff. Choking. Thank you, sir. That's the second time I choked today. Ready? In 3, 2, 1.
All right.
Okay, in 3, deuces, uno.